Hello, and today at Model Corner we'll be looking at the Gemini jets Eastern Airlines Lockheed L-188 Electra in 1/400 scale. As you can see, it comes packaged in a nice little presentation box which has an image of the plane found inside, identical to what you were seeing, the model of the plane and the airline it flew with. Now here it says Flight Eastern, but it is Eastern Airlines. On the back we have another picture of the plane and some information about what a Gemini jet is. And back to the front. Got a little window so you can see the plane inside, and then some information about the Lockheed L-188 Electra, and some specification information such as length, height and wingspan in feet and inches, and some other information you might like to know such as cruising speed, takeoff weight, range, and things of that nature. Let's open it up and have a look at the model itself. Now this is a die-cast metal plane, so it's very nice and sturdy, but there may be some more delicate pieces that if you do not handle with care may be breakable. So here it is, the Lockheed L-188 Electra. You can see it's got the Eastern Airlines livery. Now this is the Golden Falcon Eastern Airlines livery, which I don't know if you can see right there. It says the Golden Falcon, along with everything like Flight Eastern prop jet, as this is a turboprop jet, and it was the first large turboprop jet ever produced in the United States. So let's look at this. Of course, as it's a prop jet, it has its propellers, very nice and detailed. Got some very nice detailed landing gear, and the very nice metallic look of the bottom, contrasted with the painted top with the Golden Falcon livery. Can look at all the lovely detail on these wings. Very nice detailed cockpit, very nicely detailed landing gear, really nice propellers. Looking at the tail, the stabilizers look very nice with a nice logo on it. We have a registration of N5507. Let's look at it from the other side. You see we've got a little American flag. Once again, the Golden Falcon livery. Just overall, it's a very, very nice detailed model for such a plane from such a long time ago, as this plane first flew in the 1950s. It was the late 1950s, and it flew with Eastern. S1 flew with Eastern Airlines, which is this version of Eastern Airlines is now defunct as it ceased operations in 1991. So you will not see this plane or this airline flying ever. Now, this model has a wingspan of about 7.18 centimeters and is about 9 centimeters long, and it's available now from modelcorner.co.uk.